Okay, today once again we're going to be drawing graphs to start out the class, just to give you some more practice. And what I would like for you to do is draw two graphs. One is going to be proportional and direct variation, and the other is going to be non-proportional, and so you're going to use the equation y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So first of all, let's go ahead and let's divide our paper in half, just like we did the other day. So what I would do is draw me a halfway mark, and let's see, I'm going to move this one over, and I want to start out by drawing a y-axis. So everybody draw a y-axis and go ahead and label it y-axis, and let's draw our x. So x-axis. And now that we've done that, and let's go ahead and write over here proportional y equals mx, and then go ahead and choose two places to put a point. Remember, if it's proportional, it runs through the origin and it runs somewhere else, so I'll put my other point right over here. And you don't have to number them on this one, at least on the proportional one. You don't need to number it. Just draw you a point. Show me that you understand that a proportional graph goes through origin. Once we do that, I would like for you to go ahead and go to the other graph. So let's move this over. Let's draw us a y-axis and label it as such. So I'm going to draw that there. I'm going to write y-axis. I'm going to go ahead and draw our x-axis. And x-axis. Then I want you to pick a place for your y-intercept. Remember that on a non-proportional, because this is going to be our non-proportional, I guess at this point we should go ahead and write that on here. Let's put non-proportional y is equal to mx plus b. And remember that plus b is going to be our y-intercept. So I want you to pick where is that going to cross. So I do want you on this one, you don't have to number them, but I do want you to draw some marks. That way we can clearly see where you picked your y-intercept. I'm going to put my y-intercept at 3. And then I'll put my second point right over here. But you could do yours wherever you'd like, because it's your graph. My line. There it is. And I'm going to draw me an arrow here, and I want you to label the y-intercept. I want you to write y-intercept. So that way you understand the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. And the y-intercept, let's see, let's put some color in here. I want you to pick a color your choice, and just kind of shade in that y-intercept. And then I want you to shade in that B with the same color. Just so you know, the y-intercept is this B. So for instance, in this case, since we go up 3, 1, 2, 3, my y-intercept is equal to positive 3. That would be my B. And that's all we do for our warm-up today.